In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Firstly, just go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, scroll down again, click on Brightness Level, and click on this blue switcher next to Automatic Brightness. As you can see, my switcher is gray. That means that auto brightness is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same one again. You can also go into Devices Settings, look for Auto Brightness shortcut, and when you find it, click on it to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!